All right, we're going to call you Obo.
Good deal.
And you don't mind if I video you for YouTube?
Not at all. That'd be good.
Man, this looks horrible. How many days out are we now?
5 days out.
And you were assaulted?
No, I got hit by a 2x4 from a table saw.
Oh, it flew up at you.
Kicked back and hit me in the forehead. Actually hit me in the safety glasses.
Yeah. You're lucky you didn't lose your eye, right?
Yeah, with the safety glasses, I saved the eye.
Good for you. Well, all right. So you went to the emergency room. They CAT scanned you and made sure you didn't have any bleeding on the brain.
Correct.
Have you had headaches?
A small, mild migraine
Yeah.
for the first 3-4 days. Not anymore.
Well, we appreciate you letting us share this. Really, the reason I wanted to share this, we're going to get a close-up on this wound. And I don't know if you guys out there can see this or not, but what I'm looking at is a wound that has not healed. Now, we're 5 days in on these stitches. And the reason I believe this has not healed, and the reason why we can't remove these stitches even 5 days out, because that's almost ideal time to remove these, is because Mr. Obo here has been putting ointment on it, right?
That's correct.
All right, what have you been putting on it?
Neosporin.
Yep. Neosporin. Now, usually for an abrasion, Neosporin is fine for a day or two. But with a wound like this, what's happened is the Neosporin has worked its way into the wound, and it has prevented this from healing properly. So we're unable to remove these stitches today for our friend Obo here. And unfortunately, you're leaving town, right?
That's correct.
All right, so this is Wednesday. You won't be back till the weekend, so it looks like it's going to be Monday. We'll see you back and we'll take these stitches out for you. But if we took them out today, there's a really good chance that this would do what we call dehiss, and it would open up and you'd have a flap and you wouldn't be happy with that.
That would not be good.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to say just keep this covered and dry, and we'll see you on Monday and we'll take those out for you.
All right.
All right, Mr. Obo, thanks for sharing, and we're glad you didn't lose your eye with a terrible table saw accident. I got to tell you, I use a table saw often. I build a lot of things, so it's a risk that any of us takes when we use one of these things, right?
Absolutely. 30 years, no accidents, but it's always the one day that it does happen.
Yeah, it's always fun until somebody loses an eye, right?
Absolutely.
I'm glad you didn't. All right, bud, thanks.
All right.
I have no preparation at all. Tell us about Meta 7.
I started taking it about 6 months ago. It has totally changed my life. Lost 35 pounds. Was sitting on the couch all day long. Had no energy whatsoever. Now I can't sit down. So it's really working for me. I hope it works for everybody else.
You can sit down, you just don't want to.
I don't want to.
All right, man, and you're here for another bottle, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, fantastic. How's your clarity and focus?
As
Are
far
they
as as far as the brain,
Yes,
oh yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I can think better.
If I only had a brain, right?
I can think better, and all around it's helped me out.
Do you feel shaky, jittery, or anything like
No,
that?
not at all.
Fantastic. We're going to hook you up, bud. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm Rachel. And I'm Michelle.
Today, we'd like to tell you about Meta 7
Meta 7 will help you activate your life.
and get you where you need to be and through the day.
Check it out. There's a link in the description below.